Hi, I'm Abhijit Ghosh. Welcome to Atosh & Sons in Delhi. For over a century, we've been selecting finest teas from across the globe for our esteemed clients. The parameters of tasting has remained the same over the years. When we have prepared a standard, we have certain leaf size, color, type. So when we look at the leaf, we try to see whether it is matching my standards. Once it's approved, we put it up for tasting. So once the liquor is ready, the liquor is separated and kept in a bowl. So what do we see in an infusion? We see whether this tea is bright, whether it is dull, or matching the standard that we have made. Once our parameters are met, we pass the infusion. Then we see the cup. We will see whether it's bright or as per the standard that we've created. Once the same is done, we pass the cup. Then we go in for the final tasting. So here we have to slurp the tea right till the end of the tongue, so that the character of the liquor is all around our mouth, and we can make out what the tea is going to give me. We try to analyze that the flavor that we have thought or we have created in a blend is there. If that goes through, then the cup is passed. We at Atosh are blenders. There are certain blends which has been handed over to us from our grandfathers to our father to us. We have records of all these blends. Our grandfather, Mr. Amulya Charan Ghosh, was one of the versatile tea tasters of India. He mentored his next generation in a manner that they in turn mentored us to follow the same footsteps that has been followed over the years in Atosh. Our relationship with our clients are built over the years, and in some cases generations, to understand their requirements and to create a timeless